Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for being here today. So I'll be doing a pick a card reading for you, and based on this reading I'll be telling you about your health. And I've made 3 piles here. Pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So just choose your pile, and I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. And please remember that this is a general reading, so some things may not resonate with your situation completely. So whatever resonates, take that and you can leave the rest. So I'll see you at your pile. Alright, so pile number 1, for those of you who've chosen this pile, nothing major happening on your health front, but there has been a little confusion going on in your mind in the past, especially regarding your health, and maybe your expectations regarding your health, or maybe the kind of efforts that you've been putting towards your health are not exactly going to be like the results that await you. And especially if you people have got your tests done, or you people have those small aches and pains which you've been ignoring, it's better that you would just consult somebody, you would consult the right person rather than making it late. I don't see anything major, but yes, I do see stress issues, health, which are pertaining to your health. It could just be because of exhaustion, it could be because of extra responsibility, extra burden, extra work. You've been working too much, you've been prolonging this thing since long, and now you don't want things to just crash down on you. So it's better that you just consult somebody and take the right advice, visit the right person, especially on your health front. Again, I'm repeating, nothing major, and 2 months things will be solved if there is something. On other fronts, I see a lot of good opportunities coming your way, but since this is a health reading, I won't digress from the topic, and let's see what the Moonology cards are telling you regarding your health. Prosperity lies ahead. So like I've said, things are very positive for you in the days to come, but just be careful on your health front. Take that little bit of rest, or that extra sleep, or something that you have been lacking, so that you are able to uh, keep your hard work going on, and without having anything to stop it. Your karmic life path is filled with positive essence of healing and kindness. So the path itself, it's very clear from the cards. This is the time, this is the energy that the universe is giving you to lead a wonderful, positive path. But you need to allow peace, stability, and tranquility in your life. So like I've already said, a lot of you are just running ahead because of your work, not getting enough sleep, being exhausted, feeling very overburdened. So just you need to allow peace to come in your life, be a little stable, focus on your health, and then you'll see very good results coming in your life. And I've already said that on the other fronts, 24 days from now, a lot of new opportunities are coming at your doorstep. So please don't let this health thing, even if it's the minutest thing in your health, which may later on become an obstacle, and it might just take away all your time, and you might not be able to focus on your other aspects at that time. So it's better that you give your health the prime focus at this point in time, and then you can continue doing whatever you were in times to come. So this was for pile number 1. Nothing to worry, making it clear again, nothing to worry. Pile number 2, let's see what's in store for you regarding your health. Alright, pile number 2, health is absolutely stable, nothing to worry. You've already been taking care of your health. You have been giving your health the due, the due time, or the focus that it requires, and new beginnings are on the cards. Anything, if you had some issues earlier, or something which was brought to your notice, and that's the reason you were taking care of your health. So all those things have now finished, and very positive time for you. Be extremely determined, be extremely full of love, peace. The universe is cleansing you away of all your negativities, and a lot of you in there maybe still in that phase of struggle, for an older health issue or something coming from the past. So please remember, this is the time. Just be determined, and all these problems of health which have been coming from the past will all just fade away. New beginnings are not on the cards, especially on the health front. And please remember that nothing is there which is set, or it's in there in your destiny that this cannot be changed. Nothing is yet set in the stone. Please remember, like I've said, something from the past, if it's coming, if it's bothering you, it could just be a few of you must be feeling a little depressed because of something, but it's not from today, it's coming from the past. Maybe a broken relationship has come and disturbed your health, or maybe something in your career has not really agreed with you, which is now making you feel exhausted or a little tensed. Remember that this is not your destiny, this is just a passing phase. Positive beginnings are there on the cards, and most of you, I see that health problems have already been sorted. You have given your best to your health and you've made it your prime focus. You will triumph over obstacles and stumbling blocks. So we've already seen, in the other cards also, the riders of it have also told you that if something was also coming, it's already there. It's there. It's just here to go. It's not here to stay. It's not going to be permanent. It's very temporary. Have faith in your life. Have confidence in your life. Have an ambition to sort out these things, sort out these health problems. If these health problems are minute and they are coming from other things in your life, please don't let them disturb your health. You need to just focus on your health, focus on healing, and the universe itself will give you the power to self-heal yourself, which is very important, and you yourself will see how you start benefiting from your thoughts itself. So on the whole, I don't see any health issues, and if something is coming or has been there since the past, it's time for it to fade away. So that was for pile number 2. Let's see what's in store for pile number 3. If the readings have resonated with you, please leave a comment in the comment section. I hope these are helpful for you. Alright, pile number 3. Alright, so here I see your expectations have definitely not been fulfilled, especially in terms of health, and it's not a very nice situation at the moment. Again, it's not a permanent thing, it's very temporary. It could be, especially for a lot of you, this health connection is pertaining to a lot of stress because of the people around you, because of your finances, because of your relations. A lot of you have had broken relationships, or have had that phase where people have not been honest with you. This is more likely to be something to do with that. Your health is coming to a standstill, or you're exhausted, mentally fatigued, but it's absolutely fine. These things happen. You need to take care of your health. A lot of you who are facing financial stress and are letting that affect your health, please, it's time to be content. It's all right. Finances keep going up and down, but health is very important. Health is wealth. If your health is good, you're able to conquer anything in life. So please, it's time to be content. And 18 days from now, for a lot of you to start seeing the better side, the positivities coming your way. Please focus on your health. Health is important, and consult that psychologist if you need to, if you're having stress issues. It's all right if you're facing struggles. Struggles are there to help you, go ahead, make you strong spiritually, mentally, physically. So it's absolutely fine. Don't be, taken down, or don't get those negative thoughts in your head because you have to face certain struggles. If relationships did not work, it's all right. If the person was dishonest with you, it's all right. It's all gone. Don't let your mind just be, your higher self, your lower self is all full of these broken relationships. It's all full of these problems that you are facing. So don't let that happen. And it's just a matter of time. It's not permanent, but don't let this come on. So relationships, they come and go, and problems come and go, but it's for you. This is not the time to think about these things and focus on your problems. It's important for you to grow. If you take psychological, if you take counseling, if you go to a psychologist, he or she will just help you to think in a right manner, which you're not. You're taking too much stress for a lot of things which are not at all related to your health. But these surroundings, your environment, is making you very negative, and its impact on your health in the long run is not going to be of a fruitful, the result is not going to be in your favor. So you really need to make the right decisions, think in a straight manner. Maybe you could just make plans. If your business didn't work, or your career is not working, if the relationship is not working the way you need to, think about it. Sit back, relax, but don't let this have the effect on your mind, because your mind it's really, really not being able to think in the manner which it should, and this in turn will not take you in the right direction. It's going to really be, pile number 3, this is not the right time for you to not focus on your health. Your health is asking for attention. A lot of you might be thinking, listening to the reading, that I'm absolutely fine, but please think, is your mind fine? A healthy mind only leads to a healthy body, which I do not see in the cards. Your mind is at a lot of stress. Too much is going on in your mind. The moon cards are also telling you that you need a practical plan for your dreams to come true. By taking stress, or by just living in a world of illusion and then crying over it that things didn't work the way I wanted, or a relationship is not working the way you want it to work. Maybe you were just not practical. You were just not thinking in the right manner. That's why things were not working out. A lot of you might have been feeling that you're disturbed because you're heartbroken, or you're because somebody's been dishonest to you. But it's all right. It's your past. It's gone. Let your mind be free of this past, and you should be open for further better partnerships, better relationships, and they are on the cards. People who are thinking about their financial crisis, financial worries, remember, everything is going to be in your favor. Just this is not a right time. This is just a temporary phase. There's a lot of struggle, stagnancy. There's a lot of dullness. It's fine. The overall result, even for you to be determined to take action, you need to be absolutely free of any kind of stress and anxiety. For your family life to bloom also, you have to be anxiety free. Everything positive is on the cards, provided this time you use to take care of your health. If you need counseling, if you think you want to visit that person, maybe a psychologist or any such authority, it could be a friend who you want to talk to regarding your problems, please do that. Don't keep things in your head. Also, a lot of you who've gone through this bad phase or whatever have now become lazy, or you're not coming out of your shell. It's very important to push aside laziness and distraction. You need to, this is a golden opportunity for you, especially pile number 3 people. If you are seeing this video, this is a golden opportunity for you, that these cards are knocking at your door and telling you that please go for that health checkup, or please go and visit that counselor, so that the wonderful moments that await you, the wonderful memories that you have to build of your joy, laughter, whatever, you need to first come out of this mess. Emotionally, mentally, you need to become stronger. You will get a lot of support. Just tap the right person. If you need financial help, you will get it. You're going to get loans. For a lot of people who are taking stress for loans, you will get it. People who are finding support from friends who are wanting, you know, emotional support, mental support. Just find the right person. Your friend sitting right next to you is there to give you their shoulder to cry on, but just take that thing out of your system, take it out, so that you are able to think straight, make the right decisions. And remember, once your mind is cleared up of all this mess, you're going to take you're going to be able to take decisions based on your own beliefs and intuitions. Your intuitions are going to become very strong. And I'm going to be pulling another card for you just to guide you, to help you. Remember, expect miracles and inner guidance. So, like we've already said, that your intuition is going to become very strong once this whole negativity that has come inside you, or this whole sorrow that has come inside you, clears up. You're going to yourself start feeling that your inner guidance is helping you. Look beyond yourself and do not be afraid to aim high. So come out of that shell. Your soul, okay, it has been shattered, you're feeling in a mess, you know, whatever has happened has happened. Let bygones be bygones. Let's focus on tomorrow, and don't expect to aim high. Anybody, if you've had a failure in the past, relationships not worked, money hasn't come, it's all right. Don't be afraid to again, you know, aim high and again start from scratch. Be determined. Determination will only come if your mind is sorted. So all in all, you definitely need help. Pile number 3, you need to look beyond yourself and, you know, find what is really troubling you, so that you could get the right help from the right person, the right authority. Don't be afraid to visit a counselor also. So that's in store for you, and I hope these readings were helpful for all of you. And if they were resonant, please leave your comments, you know, leave your comments in the comments section. And if you like what I do, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I do a new video. And I'll be coming back with more such readings, and I'll be signing off now. Thank you so much.